Named after Boreas, the Greek god of the north wind, the boreal forest circles the northern globe like an emerald halo. At 1.2 billion acres, Canada's intact boreal forest stretches from coast to coast and is the largest intact forest ecosystem remaining on Earth. This unique and productive mosaic of interconnected habitats includes lakes, river valleys, wetlands, peatlands, and tundra at its northern reaches. Its rich soils and permafrost store twice as much carbon per acre as tropical rainforests and are critical in the fight against global warming. At a time when freshwater supplies are diminishing around the globe, the vast reserves in Canada's Boreal are increasingly important to protect. Wetlands make up nearly one-third of the Canadian Boreal, an estimated 1.5 million lakes, and some of the country's largest river systems. Canada's longest river, the Mackenzie, also called the Deschutes, has sustained Indigenous people for thousands of years and is critical to maintaining Arctic currents. Canada's Great Bear Lake is the largest pristine lake in the world. Hundreds of Aboriginal communities in the Boreal rely heavily on waterfowl, beaver, fish, and other aquatic species for food, and use boreal lakes and rivers as transportation where no roads exist. Canada's Boreal is home to bear, wolves, and other large migratory animals that still roam this vast landscape, including the George River caribou herd. The Boreal is also the nesting ground for billions of migratory birds, more than 300 species. The Peace Athabasca Delta is one of the most important ecological places on the planet. It has been designated a World Heritage Site and a wetland of international importance. All 4 flyways in North America, the aerial migration routes traveled by billions of birds each year, converge in the delta. More than 1 million birds, including tundra swans, snow geese, countless ducks, and the endangered whooping crane, stop to rest in these undisturbed wetlands each autumn before they migrate. For many waterfowl, this area is their only nesting ground in the spring. The Boreal also offers the last refuges for many of the world's sea-run migratory fish, including half of the remaining populations of North American Atlantic salmon. For more than a decade, the Pew Environment Group and its partner, the Canadian Boreal Initiative, have worked with scientists, industry, environmental groups, as well as First Nations and other Canadian governments to achieve a balance between protection and sustainable development within the world's largest intact forest ecosystem. To learn more about Canada's Boreal Forest, visit the Pew Environment Group online.